Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Zain Mohammed. Me and my friend Mihir are going to be the hosts of today's assembly. Over to Mihir.
We are present here to celebrate Friends Day. Before we start, we must know what is Friends Day. Over to Bhuvan.
Thank you, Mihir. The French national holiday is called the 14th of July. It commemorates the storming of this famous prison on 14 July 1789 and the start of French Revolution, a symbol of absolute and arbitrary power of the Louis XVI ancient regime. The Bastilles captured by people proved that the king's power was no longer the absolute French demand, that it be based on the nation and be limited separation of powers. Over to Alishba.
Thank you, Bhuvan. Despite holding only 7 prisoners in 1789, the storming of the prison became a symbol of freedom and the fight against oppression. Like the tricolor flag, it represented the Republic's three ideals: liberty, equality, and fraternity for all. With the end of the absolute monarchy, the sovereign nation was born, and in 1792, the first republic was invented. Over to Hari.
To commemorate the first anniversary of the storming of the Bastille, delegates from every region of France met in Paris for the Fête de la Fédération. They proclaimed their allegiance to a single national community and claimed their right to self-determination.
The French National Day is the anniversary of the storming Bastille on 14 July 1789, a major event of the French Revolution as well as the Fête de la Fédération that celebrated the unity of French people on 14 July 1790. Celebrations are held throughout France.
Independence Day is also a very important day to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and at the same time enjoy the spirit of freedom. To celebrate 100 years after the French Revolution started, France's most famous landmark was opened in in Paris in 1889, the Eiffel Tower. To celebrate 200 years, the glass pyramid at the Louvre Art Gallery.
Thank you all for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.